Okay. Nice. What, you're out of your, Yeah, I'm filming right now. That's a good one. That looks good. Nice. Oh, I see what you're doing. Now, don't do that. Just let it rip. See how much speed you can get.
No, I don't want to touch the top there.
See how much speed you can get without touching the top. Good one. Keep going. You got it. There you go. Get that speed back. That's right.
I gotta get a redo. I thought I was
Oh, you were building up speed, but you're getting off the ramp. That's up there. That's good. That's good. You still got another foot before your wheels hit. You can go more before your wheels hit. You can go up higher before your wheels hit. That's all I'm saying. That's good. That's nice. Now that's your natural style. Now try to do it just bending your knees. Killing it. No, now you're making fun of me.